Hello, hello. So it's my job as the intern queen to make sure that you guys know about the latest and greatest ways to put yourself out there, market yourself, and ultimately land a job or internship. So our friends over at TikTok, yes, TikTok, they just launched, maybe a few months ago, they launched TikTok resumes. So it's just hashtag TikTok resumes, and this is an opportunity for all of you to go on TikTok and almost make an elevator pitch of yourself and tell employers why they should hire you. And the coolest part is that TikTok is running a program where they do have relationships with hiring managers. So hiring managers are actually going to be watching these videos, and who knows, they might contact you. And I've actually heard of several people who have landed internships and jobs because of TikTok resumes. So I wanted to make a video for you real quick today just to tell you a few tips and pointers on how to make the perfect TikTok resume. So the first thing that you guys are going to do is open your TikTok app. I really need some screenshot inserts here. Hopefully we'll do those for you. But go to your TikTok app, go to the search bar, type in TikTok resumes, that's the hashtag, and just spend maybe 20 minutes or so just kind of scrolling through and watching people's videos. I was doing this the other day and I got a lot of inspiration just watching what other people were doing. And in these videos, I would try to make them less than like 30 seconds just because you do want it to be really quick, right? Short, sweet, and to the point. And you want to make sure that you go on there and that you tell people who you are, where you go to school, if you're looking for an internship or a job, if you graduated, you could maybe even insert a photo of your graduation. I think that's one of the coolest things about TikTok is it makes it really easy to just quickly insert pictures, references, portfolios, websites you've created, etc. So go on there and explain who you are, what you're looking for, and why you're qualified to get that type of experience. I'm looking for a marketing internship and I've actually already done an internship, or I'm the marketing chair for my sorority, or whatever the different things are. If you run someone's Instagram page, great. Use the green screen effect, right? That green screen effect is the one that allows you to put something behind you. So you could literally even pop up your own resume and you could be in front of it. You could pop up a photo of you. Again, you could pop up a photo of your website, an event that you created, whatever it is. It's really an opportunity for you to show off your work and your portfolio. And again, just make it really clear what you're looking for. And I would be super specific. I'm looking for a New York City internship, summer of 2022, preferably in marketing. And I would also say, here's how to contact me. And if you don't want to put your contact information out to the land, which I wouldn't necessarily recommend, just tell people to message you on TikTok, right? This is a program that's created on the app and people can interact with you on the app as well. So, create your TikTok resumes. We're going to try to include some examples for you at the end of this video of students that we think have done a great job with their TikTok resumes. And let me know if you guys have any questions. We'll see you on TikTok.
Hi everyone, my name is Shade and this is my TikTok resume to help me find a job. So I'm a recent graduate of Howard University, in which I received my Bachelor of Science in Health Education. I'm a member of a business and professional sorority, as well as serving as campus rep for companies such as Ethos, a student brand marketing manager for Tinder U, as well as a campus director for Bumble on my campus. This past year, I had the pleasure of serving as a marketing intern for Penguin Random House, and currently as a public relations intern at Ulta Beauty. I'm also a beauty and lifestyle blogger at Loft J. Carson, and recently I posted a thread of interview questions that completely blew up and led to me creating my third ebook. I've been applying for jobs like crazy and I'm just keep getting denied. I'm trying to remind myself, delayed, not denied, but it doesn't look like I'm ever going to find a job. So these are all the things that I'm interested in, and I hope someone finds this.